For our project, we helped the client company develop a fully digitalized quality management system for ISO consultancy, ISO being the International Organization for Standardization. It is a worldwide federation of national standards bodies comprising of standards bodies from more than 160 countries, with one standard body representing each member country. Having an ISO9001 standard ensures high-quality service delivered from companies to customers. A fully digital management system to apply for the standard will be developed to replace the existing manual and operational workflow.
We were tasked to improve on the current outdated paper system that our client company is using. There are three primary issues with the current system that the company is employing. Firstly, consultants spend a lot of time on mundane tasks. Secondly, the current business workflow is outdated, further impeding the flow of business, causing errors in addition, transposition of figures, incorrect recording of transaction, and incomplete recordings of transaction are all common mistakes. Lastly, the lack of a database to capture all interactions across various teams lead to a lack of transparency and traceability in the organization's sales pipeline.
For the process, as we already knew what we were supposed to do, the main concern was how we were going to develop the system. Firstly, we needed to wear the hat of a user and think from the user's perspective how the entire system flow will go. Secondly, we needed to understand from a user's point of view how easy it is to navigate the entire system. Lastly, we also needed to consider what features will be needed to implement into our system.
For example, for the SWOT table, in the past, consultants had to manually write down the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats and calculate the SWOT analysis manually. But for our quality management system, this was not the case as the calculation was done digitally.
In terms of technology, we use the MERN stack for our system, which is MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js. But instead of MongoDB, we opt to use MySQL for the database. We use this stack as it is widely used by companies across the region.
The project benefits all from the client company to the customers of the client's company. As this project aims to improve the efficiency of the ISO 9001 consulting process, more companies will be able to get consulted on the ISO certification process, and the time spent for the consultancy is also greatly reduced. Truly a win-win project.